Right. Now let us start a new pattern that is 50. A new pattern that is 50. So in this case, what we do means the same guys. Some dumbbell symbol here will take like this, and this pattern will take right. We'll see this combination. This combination we'll see now. Okay. So all of you observe pattern 50, right? So here same, first we'll work with first part. In the first part, I 5 times iterating. When I value 1, J 0, no spaces, K 5 times. When I value 2, J 1, K 4 times. When I value 3, J 2 spaces, K 3 times. When I value 4, J 4 times. So J 3 times, K 2 times. When I value 5, J 4 times, K 1 time. Okay, same. Let us try this one. So input of enter n number of rows, here. Okay, right. Then range of okay. Let's take here 1 to n plus 1. Then for j in range of. So now, so j how many times? First 0 times, next 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, right? Like I minus just I I'll take here print of just a single space. Then again k. So k how many times iterating? First 5 times, 4 times, like that, right? 1 n plus 2 minus I, then print of what? Empty. So print what now? Print what here, right? So n means 5 plus 1 6 6 minus 1 5. So 5 displaying. Next when I value 2, then 4 displaying. When I value 3 displaying. When I value 4, 2 displaying, like that, right? Let's make here this one. I am giving the 5. N is not defined, sorry. We'll take here n value, right? Right. So in this case, all of observe I value 1, j no iterations. Why? Because 1, right? End value 1 before what? 0. 1 to 0, right? No iterations. Okay. Then at that time k how many times iterating here? So I value 1, right? 1. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 before 5. So that 5 times iterating. Those 5 times what is displaying? So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. That 5 displaying how many times? 5 times. Then first iteration over. Means second time. When I value 2, j iterating 1 time. Why 1 time? Starting 1, ending 2. 2 before 1. So 1 to 1. So 1 time iterating. Then k. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 before 4. So 4 times it iterates. 4 times what will display? So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. The 4 display here 4 times. 4 display 4 times. Next, when I value 3, j iterates 2 times, 2 spaces coming. And then here, how many times now? Okay, 3 times, guys. Writing same. When I value 4, they iterates how many times here? Iterates 3 times. And this one, k iterates how many times? 2 times. 2 times, okay. When I value 5, then so when I value 4, it iterates 4 times, then k iterates only 1 time. Only 1 time, like this. Now the second part is there, that is for I in range of range of what we use, so n plus 1. Now work with the second part. In the second part, now first time j 4 k1, next to j 3 spaces k 2 iterations, next to j 2 iterations k 3 iterations, next to j 1 iteration k 4 iterations, next to j 0 iterations k 5 iterations, right? Means the j value decreasing 4 3 2 1 like that. So for j in range of, so starting 1, first 4, right? N plus 1 minus 1 minus I. So it means what? So first time I value 1, 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 before 4. So that 4 times iterates, right? When I value 1, when I value 1, iterates how many times now? 4 times. 4 times, okay? Next, when I value 2, then how many times iterating now? So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 before 3. So that, so 3 times iterates. When I value 3, then 5 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 3, 3, 3 before 2. So that iterates 2 times. When I value 4, when I value 4, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 4, 2, 2 before 1, it iterates 1 time only, 1 time only. When I value 5, so 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 5, 1, 1 before 0, 1 to 0 means no iterations. That's why it is when I value 5, no iterations. And here what to display? What display? Space display, right? Display space only, just space. Space displaying. Next, for k in range of, for k in range of. Now what display? So first one means current I value display, right? Current I value display. But first time 1 time, then 2 times, so 3 times, 4 times. Okay. Let's take here I plus 1, just I plus 1. Then print of display what? Current I value. Display what here? Current I value. Then let's take here. So observe now. So when I value 1, then k, how many times iterates? So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 before 1. So 1 time only iterates. That 1 time display what? I value. What's current I value? 1. So 1 displaying. Next, when I value 2, when I value 2, so 2 plus 1, 3. 3 before 2. 3 before 2. So 1, 2. Right? 1, 2. So 2 times what will display? The 2 times current I value. Which one? 2. So 2 space, 2 space like that. Current I value display. Next, when I value 3, when I value 3, then so 3 plus 1, 4. 4 before 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 times what will display? 3 times current I value 3. 3 will display. Next, I value 4. I value 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 before 4. So that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it iterates. And 4 times what will display? Current I value k. 4. So 4 displays 4 times. Next, when I value 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 before 5. So that 5 times it iterates. Those 5 times what will display? 5 won't display. Only 5 display current I value. Current I value display. That's all. I am giving the 5 like this. This is the which one? This pattern 50, guys, right? Okay. Right. So we'll stop it now. We'll see some other pattern in the next session. Thank you all of you guys.